Here in Middletown today, we're going to do the Middletown Hummelstown Railroad and see if we can't find some still images here today. So come along. We'll get a shot of the sign up on the old. This is the old railroad station here in Middletown, and we'll get a couple shots here. Let's see what we can find here. So there are set between these two arch windows here. I think there might be a shot here. I see a shot here, benches, leading lines, green car in the background. I like these white benches with the white Middletown sign, so I think there's a picture here to see what we can get. Straight on with this, I guess it's a streetcar or a trolley, but check it out. See if we can't get a still image here. PRR, Pennsylvania Railroad. See what we can do with that. I see a picture here of these green streetcars. I like the way these rows of windows are, which is a graphic. And it comes back to this curved down line here. I see a shot here. Two signs. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I like the two signs in conjunction with each other in the back here. Alright, here comes the train I've been waiting on, so we gotta get around front.